Comparison of data quality of backlink analysis tools. Links are the single most important component of SEO. And an SEO campaign that ignores links will fail. The more high-quality links that point to your website, the more likely you will rank for your targeted keywords in search engine results and pages. But why is that? What exactly makes links so important? Link analysis has always been an integral part of backlink. As with all marketing, you need to benchmark where you are and what your competitors are doing in order to put the right work in place and also to track performance. Within the last 2 years, this process has become easier with a wider range of tools now available to aid you. Link popularity is a measure of the popularity of a website based on the number of links pointing to that page. Now, let's take a look at an example. Consider that we have webpage X and webpage Y now. Let's say that webpage X has 500 links that point to it and webpage Y only has 50 links that point to it, based on the number of links pointing to each site. You could say that webpage X is more popular and has a higher link popularity. As we move through the course, you'll see that some inbound links are considered higher quality than others. So link popularity alone does not determine how high a page ranks in search engine results pages. The quality of the inbound links is also considered. There are a number of online tools that can be used to measure the link popularity of a site. Some of these tools measure the quality of the links pointing to the site as well. And we'll be taking a look at some examples of using these tools later on. But if you'd like to get a head start and begin to dig into the numbers, some of these tools can help you measure your link popularity. Moz is an SEO and data management software that helps businesses increase traffic, ranking, and visibility of sites in search results. Key features include site audits, rank tracking, backlink analysis, and keyword search tools. Ahrefs. Research backlinks with Ahrefs. Ahrefs has the fastest backlink crawler in the industry and boasts the world's biggest index of live backlinks, which makes Site Explorer the best tool for backlink research. Get a list of all backlinks pointing to a target website or URL. A very important tool in regards to many aspects of building high-quality links and reviewing which links you already have to your site. Majestic. This is a site that does feature a lot of search engine optimization tools and can give you a detailed report of the links. Majestic Site Explorer helps SEO and digital marketing professionals with link audit and link building. The Backlink Checker service is powered by a free version of Majestic Site Explorer. Majestic SEO is an SEO software tool that specializes in link analysis. Majestic Link Tool. Link Popularity. The latest item is simply a free tool at linkpopularity.com. Doesn't come with all of the advanced features, but it's a great way to get started in taking a look at the link popularity of your website. So we'll be taking a look at that tool later on in the course as well. So, link popularity is a simple but extremely important concept. The more links you have pointing to your website, the more important Google and other major search engines will assume it is. And depending on the quality of those links, the higher your pages will rank in search results.